as a cleaning business owner, you're not going to go very far if you do not understand how to manage people. Unless you want to be a solo cleaner forever, you have got to learn how to manage people as you grow your team. The most successful cleaning business owners that have been able to scale is because they have a dynamite team that will literally go to war for them there and back, right? And do it all over again. So who's on your team and how are you rewarding them? How are you managing them? If you are too passive aggressive, you're probably not retaining talent in your cleaning business. The number one thing that I hear a lot of people say is, oh man, there's no good cleaners, it's hard to hire people. But how are you as a boss? Why would people want to show up and work for you? Like, really think about that. One of the things that I don't have time for running a business and doing all of the things is micromanagement. I know a lot of people come to me from some of these larger name cleaning companies, I won't name any names, and they often say that they felt really micromanaged. So don't do that if you could help it as a cleaning business owner. Take your time, hire slow and fire fast. You have to learn how to work with people. I mean, there's no other way that I can say it. Like, you have got to learn how to work with people. And as a cleaning business owner, you got to learn how to do that really fast, because if not, guess what? Individuals will not stay with your company, and you will find yourself in this constant cycle of just hiring and replacing people, and you will honestly just be spinning your wheels.